Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghacks channel. So today I want to show you the tutorials how to add languages into keyboard from iOS or iPhone. So now we just need to simply go into the settings, and now we need to go into the general options. Click the general option, and then we will be generated into several parts that we want to set. Now click the keyboard. On the first rows there are keyboards options. Just click it and then add new keyboards. Now just type what language that you want to have. I want to have a Korean language on my keyboard, so I want to click Korean. Okay, now you can choose with either standard or 10 keys. For me, I want to have a standard keyboard, and now just click done. Yep, now the Korean language is already added into our keyboard. How to check it? So now just click new keyboard and then click search. Now if you can see, we already have the Korean languages into our keyboard. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comments, like and subscribe into this channel.